Let me take this opportunity to welcome this great son of Meru back to his home in Meru. I also in the same vein want to welcome those of you who have come from Nairobi, those who have come from Mombasa, indeed the Meru diaspora who have decided under the umbrella of Meru Progress to come and support us in this great manner that you have done today. Can we appreciate them? They say you can graduate from many universities, but you can never graduate from your village. Because ukitoka university unaenda, so you are graduating from that university. But from your village, you go all over the world, and you always come back to that village. And even if you don't come back, sisi tutakuleta wakati ukifika. Sidio? So it's good we keep on coming back. Kwa mkuleta warawi, mtaimadio kwa tukuraya no, and he keeps on telling us kwa muntu munene mono atuweka munene wa Methodist bonde duniani. Enda turare ya Meru aya unture na kwa kanti la gorero enda ya sai kwa umairo ataka nyo sai kanti atra kona na kunyo sai na bo au kanti non to boy atura tukumwe akali maitene ruinane arafu agire kuya kunyo sai kore menon to kerolari munene atanywa sai antoliku au kanti ko kijana kuwenkari nyimuntana nya sai kanti wira kwina kwao nande nyango ina na tuena kinyanga bano Meru owe chonde temporary we are here for a short time ko to achoka onara kanti kare ko ngo bochokeria nkalo antobeto kwa umita Nairobi, Mombasa na kinyo baba ngia nene abandingi nontu waturikana tutura ntwa Meru na Nigeria na rio waturetera mitungi ya oxygen na bya kure
kwa na hito dona akawa a bit skeptical and I could understand why. Nontu group zingi cha WhatsApp in Meru 90 almost something percent chida rangu echo iko area mbaya iko rumana ebyo to menyara somebody ugere abitire progressive to pacho bango kana haraka sana to yeto te progressive te progress no to kijita anga progressive anga bi anga progressive anga nini irumi utuko na modanya raito to chio Lindas, but I can confirm, Governor, because I'm a member of this group. It's a very special group. It has lasted now almost over 4 years. Yambiru nyambere tuguma siasene, and I really want to thank you, patron, for keeping the group together and that display. No ndugwanta batirumana, people engage constructively. Na ibateta kia sana antobeto ba Meru.
Ngavana uga Meru ne awogori. No rega utegero karo complaina. To adivia complaining county. Then Meru ite angret. But inchokeria ngavana nkado sana. Non toena ugire atethikira gituma no kiriko. I remain focused to make Meru great. Na uga gacho wa partners no chorebu bunene. Na mbuga na arua ngavana kinywe by association and by everything. Ne member wa group wije nuntu kethea ngavana icho antu bakumeki Meru great na babu wo make Meru great ka ngavana thuki ari member wenu ende bote muringera ruwe murume and group wije is a very strong group na itukwenda kubuchokeria nkatho na turombe antu bangi ba Meru twite na njire o eu twikire kiratu kiu kenda tumba ukinya na tukwenda gwita kumeki Meru yetu great
kiume kirathirire na kiume ke itokarete tukerisiba utethio kuma ikundi mwanya barabe yetako through initiative no chore na gavana wetu ibeyete na batutethia na ibo ntugucokera kinya ikundi kietu kia Meru Progress Group nkatho muno no ntwabwenda bunene bwabwatonia kumenyera antu betu bangi ba Meru kaita kaka umu ka coronavirus. This is a very good initiative na kenda kuria bangi bonthe ba Meru bara Murungu atharimite bena uweso bena ability ya kumba gutetheria ibeye Meru ni kenda to team up together turana murimo yo turi kintu kimwe nontu murimo yo tumba imuntu umwe thirikari tumba yongwa ni antu bonthe ba come up together uketha Murungu na kutharimite ombakura kinya mask imwe ura nenkera utinio ukethira Murungu na kutharimite wina irio bya kung'ana tethia muturi oku ora biashara wera ingirwe nontu ba murimo wa coronavirus.
What we have seen in the past is just negative messages whose long-term impact in our society could be creating a very bitter and negative society, people who have no hope. The oxygen cylinders will support our level 4 hospitals, which we really appreciate. I think the oxygen plant in the Meru level 5 is sufficient. But in other hospitals like Mutuati, Maua, Kanyakine, all those far-flung off areas, they will greatly benefit from this assistance. So Dr. Kiremi, thank you so much for advising them to give us this unique assistance. You are the first people ever to donate oxygen cylinders in Meru County. Hakuna group ingine.
If you give more, you get more. Lakini kama hutoi, huwezi kupata zaidi. Kwa hivyo, I want to thank them very sincerely because to fight this virus, we need teamwork.
Unini chairman wa group hili, it started as a WhatsApp group. Ito Meru Progress Group. Na Meru Progress Group ngugi yetu ni welfare. Tuambie ngugi yetu ni welfare ya members wetu, welfare of our own members. But with since we have been there since 2014, 2015, we have now changed. Although we still cater for the needs of our members, but now we are also now looking out. We want also now to give back to the society. We want to give back to the society which brought us up.